loop 1.9 is all about shifting, okay? And because we have to get from first position to third position to play this first part of the Wednesday Addams Paint It Black, okay? So how do I get from first position to third position? Well, I always teach shifting the same way, especially if you're first starting out, if you haven't been shifting before, if this is something new for you. The way that I teach it is to do it on half notes and to slide so that you can hear the shift, so that you hear when you've landed on the right note. I'm going to put here in the playlist the shifting tutorial, okay? It's a lot of information, but it's great information. And especially if you're new to shifting or you just need a refresher, go and watch that video where I really break down shifting. So I'm not going to completely go into too much detail here because I already have that video here on the channel, but I will show you how to apply it to this shift, okay, here in the Paint It Black in this first part. The shift lands on a down bow, okay? So I just want to keep the bowing the same. So in this, I'm going to go from this up bow here to the down bow, right? From the F to the G. Second finger on F to first finger on G. And again, if you watch the video, you'll know I love to do 80. I even put that in the exercises. So I really want to be rhythmical with my shifting. And notice in the exercises I put 80 to start. You might want to speed this up later, speed up the metronome. Maybe you start doing it on a quarter note where you go like this. Really important that you keep it rhythmical, okay? Do the shifting with the metronome. Make sure that you slide. And, you know, and truthfully, 80 for the half note, I'm sorry, 80 for the quarter note, but doing it on a half note, forgive me, is really not too slow. It's not too long. Even though it's just a whole step, you can slide nice and smooth and really hear that shift. That's how you're going to get it really in tune. That's how you're going to teach this hand to make a really solid landing there in third position as you're shifting up. My hand already feels better just doing it just a couple of times there with the metronome. Okay, so that's loop, the shifting loop that's coming next. Watch the shifting tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.